Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate number series in Excel using simple formulas. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create sequences like natural numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, arithmetic series, and even geometric series, all with just one formula. Let's begin. What is a sequence? A sequence is an ordered list of numbers that follow a specific rule or pattern. Each number in the list is called a term. The position of a term in the sequence is called its index or nth term. Example: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is a sequence of even numbers. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 is a sequence of perfect squares. Types of sequences. Arithmetic sequence, AP. Here each term increases or decreases by a fixed number. Example: 5, 10, 15, 20. Common difference equals 5, and A plus and minus 1 multiplied by D. Geometric sequence, GP. Here each term is multiplied or divided by a fixed number. Example: 2, 4, 8, 16. Common ratio equals 2. Fibonacci sequence. Here each term is the sum of the two previous terms. Example: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Row function in Excel. The row function in Excel returns the row number of a given cell or reference. For example, equals row C10 returns 10 because C10 is in the 10th row. If no reference is given, it returns the row number of the cell where the formula is entered. When used on a range in modern Excel versions, it can return multiple row numbers as an array. The sequence function is available in Excel for Microsoft 365, Excel 2021, and newer versions in Excel for the web. The sequence function in Excel generates an array list of sequential numbers, customizable in rows, columns, starting value, and step size. Its general syntax is equals sequence, rows, columns, start, step. Rows, required. The number of rows to fill with numbers. Columns, optional. The number of columns to fill defaults to 1 if omitted. Start, optional. The number to start the sequence from defaults to 1 if omitted. Step, optional. The increment for each subsequent value defaults to 1 if omitted. Examples: equals sequence 5 creates a 5-row column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equals sequence 3, 2, 10, 5 creates a 3-row by 2-column array starting at 10 and incrementing by 5. First row is 10, 15. Second is 20, 25. Third is 30. This
35.
function is helpful for quickly generating number series or filling ranges with custom sequences in both one-dimensional and two-dimensional arrays. Here is a visual aspects of the sequence function. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate number series in Excel using simple formulas. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create sequences like natural numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, arithmetic series, and even geometric series, all with just one formula. Let's begin. Row function in Excel. The row function in Excel returns the row number of a given cell or reference. Here is an Excel sheet. First, let's create a simple number series from 1 to 10. Click on any cell and type this formula. Recall row returns row number of the cell in which row function is written. Row function returns row number 2. Therefore, to generate 1, we need to subtract 1. To generate first 10 natural numbers, let's copy and paste the formula. Here are the first 10 natural numbers. Now let's generate even numbers. In general, 2n is used to generate even numbers, where n is a set of natural numbers. Even number starts with 2. Let's copy and paste formula to generate 10 even numbers. Similarly generated first 10 odd numbers. The general formula for generating odd number is 2n minus 1. Here also, after writing formula, copy and paste it to generate the odd number series. Here is the odd number series. Recall arithmetic progression in which each term increases or decreases by a fixed number called common difference. To find any term, first plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Let's take example. First term as 5 and common difference as 3. The terms of the series are obtained as shown here. Here, for example, let's take first term as 5 and common difference as 3. The nth term of arithmetic series is a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Here, n minus 1 is generated with rho function as can be seen from the formula. Now copy and paste to generate the other terms of the series. Here is the generated AP, with each term differs by 3. Here is a quick recap of how terms of an AP is generated. GP is geometric series. Here each term has a common ratio. The first term is a and common ration is r, and the general term is multiplied by r raised to n minus 1. Let's consider GP with first term as 2 and common ration as 2. Now let's write the formula for generating terms of GP using row function, as can be seen in our Excel worksheet cell. Here is the geometric series generated terms. We have explored how sequences can be generated row function. It is normally used in older versions of Explorer. It's time to learn sequence function in newer version of Excel and Google Sheets. The sequence function is available in Excel for Microsoft 365, Excel 2021, and newer versions in Excel for the web. The sequence function takes four parameters or arguments. First, rows required. The number of rows to fill with numbers. It is used to generate terms of AP. Second, columns optional. The number of columns to fill defaults to 1 if omitted. Third, start optional. The number to start the sequence from defaults to 1 if omitted. Fourth, step optional. The increment for each subsequent value defaults to 1 if omitted. I have Excel 2019 version, which do not support sequence function. Therefore, I will demonstrate its use with Google Sheets, a product of Google. So to start it, open Chrome browser and click on 9 dots that indicates Google Apps. This is Google Sheet. Let's use first row as a header row to name columns that will indicate the name of the series. These parameters or arguments to a sequence function generates the first 10 even numbers. The first argument is 10 shows 10 rows or first 10 even numbers to be generated. The second argument is 1 that is only a single column. The first even number is 2 and step parameter is 2. Here is the first 10 even numbers. Observe that it does not require to copy and paste the formula. Similarly, odd numbers can be generated only setting start argument to 1. The first 10 terms of AP can be generated by setting start to the first term and step argument to the common difference of AP. Here first term is 5 and common difference is 3. GP can be generated in 2 steps. First, generate power or exponent of the common ratio for all terms. That is from 0 to number of terms minus 1. Here number of terms is 10. The power for first is 0, second term is 1, and so on. Second step, we generate terms of GP by using formula. First term multiplied by common ratio raised to power or exponent. Here first term is 2 and common ration is also 2. Here is the generated GP. So that's how you can create different number series in Excel using just the sequence formula. Practice these and you'll save a lot of time in calculations. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Applications of sequences in real life. 1. Banking and finance. Calculating compound interest uses geometric progression. Loan repayments, installments follow arithmetic progression. Nature and science. Fibonacci sequence appears in sunflower seeds, pine cones, and shells. Population growth, geometric progression. Daily life. Seat numbers in a theater, AP. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please visit my blog for more details. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again for watching the video.